The Mini 5 Pro is one of the most anticipated drones of all time. And since last year, DJI has been doing a great job of promotion, revealing through leaks small previews of this model's new features. This has created huge anticipation for the arrival of this drone, and even an unofficial release date has already been announced. But in the latest leaks, a new date has surfaced, and this time it seems more realistic, since we already have concrete evidence that this drone is being distributed to retailers, with real prices and images of the Fly More combo kit, featuring 3 incredible batteries with 52 minutes of flight time each. However, at the end of July, DJI launched the Osmo 360, its first camera with a 360-degree spherical lens, which made many people wonder, if DJI already masters this technology, why not create a drone with this type of camera? But that's exactly what the competition did, and on August 14th we were surprised by the reveal of the anti-gravity A1. From that moment, all the market's attention shifted to this revolutionary new trend, and the general consensus was that DJI's dominance was under threat. But the initial excitement didn't last long, and those who took the time to dig deeper into this drone discovered that it was nothing more than a marketing stunt. It isn't even available for sale. It's still just a project, with only a few test prototypes manufactured. The official sales launch is scheduled only for January 2026, if everything goes according to plan. Not even its price has been defined yet, as that will still depend on production costs and on the features and accessories this drone will include. I believe anti-gravity rushed into this risky marketing strategy. They revealed a product that isn't even ready for sale, and left plenty of time for DJI to react. And we know DJI already has all the technology needed to create its own 360 drone. Therefore, I don't think anti-gravity will be a real threat to DJI, because by the time this drone is released, DJI will likely have already announced, or even launched, its own 360 model, possibly with more features and at a lower price. After all, DJI already dominates 70% of the drone market, which gives it a much greater economy of scale. So, what is DJI's biggest threat? I think it's DJI itself. The Mini 5 Pro is a perfect example. It's the right drone at the wrong time. It has everything we want in a drone. It's light, compact, features a powerful 1-inch sensor camera, omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, with front LiDAR, artificial intelligence, long flight time, and extended range. However, it's being released at a tricky moment, and DJI is already showing this with its aggressive pricing strategy, having to set the Mini 5 Pro at the same price as the Mini 4 Pro, which will likely go on promotion to avoid affecting its sales. The anti-gravity announcement generated an unexpected desire among a large portion of DJI users, who are now more eager for the reveal of a possible Mini 360 than for the Mini 5 launch. Of course, these two models will have different purposes and target audiences, and we don't even know if DJI will ever actually release a 360 drone. But this possibility is certainly creating a dilemma for many. Should they buy the best Mini of all time now, or wait a little longer for the potential launch of an innovative Mini 360? If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.